Hello, do you know what the subtraction symbol looks like? If you don't, that's great. Stick around because I'm about to tell you. So, subtraction, okay? What that looks like, we've got a couple of symbols for you here, okay? So let's see which one is the subtraction one, okay? So you've got this one, which is like the X, and you've got a horizontal line, and then you've got a plus line like this, and then you've got an equal sign like that, okay? So that's already helped you to take away a couple of them, okay? So it's not this one, because as you said, that's the equal sign. That's what you put at the end of a number sentence, okay? What about this one? Well done. It's not that, because that's the addition one, okay? That's for adding, okay? And then you've got these two, all right? So which one, let's do a symbol for you. Which one makes sense? So if I went 10 something 5 equals 5, right? Now, what's fitting for that? Is it the timesing like this, or is it this one here? See, gave you a hint. Well done. It's not this one, it's this one. So that's the subtraction symbol, and that is what it would look like in a question. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!